talking chip names today. First one we're going to look at is AMD. Shares are up over 80% from year ago levels, up about 65% in 2023. Kevin, when you look at this one, you know, a lot of the data points year over year in the first couple earnings reports this year have been pretty dismal. We have seen maybe a bottoming in the PC market, but it seems like the hype behind the stock this year is all based on their new chip that's supposed to come out in the next couple quarters, right?
Yeah, I think, this is a fun topic to talk about the rest of the show. We got three good names to talk here because they're all linked in some way. And the first one, AMD, this is, it might be self-proclaimed, but they claim they're going to be the biggest competitor to Nvidia and their AI chips. And they claim that Microsoft is using their chips right now. They claim that Meta and Google are looking at it. Amazon is starting to use their chips, and they think they have a chance to really cut into Nvidia's dominance in AI chips. And if that happens, it's supposed to happen in 2024, and the numbers are supposed to get bigger into 2025, Tom. So you're right. PCs have hurt this company, and their competition with Intel has hurt Intel. But now it's all about AI, Tom, and now they've got a new competitor, and that is Nvidia and AMD. It's going to be fun to watch.
Yeah, Joe, and one of the comments from the CEO, Lisa Su, who's been a good leader for this company on the bounce back, is the segments within AI that they were supposed to dominate in are inference market, which their MI300 chip is supposed to work better than what Nvidia has. Nvidia's more on the training side chip. But this is going to be competitive moving forward, but demand pretty much remains robust at this point. So maybe, the optimism for this stock is warranted.
I think it's a little bit of good, a little bit of bad. And I think that's kind of what is the way to look at AMD right now. The good is that, yes, they are moving in the right direction. We'll see whether or not they're able to take some of that market share. The bad is that they're doing it with revenue drop over 14% year over year versus 2022. So the demand's there. I think the stock has started to bottom, and maybe the cycle has started to bottom as well too for chips. And those are positives for AMD. The hard part is that they are running a distant second in the space, and they're doing it, and it's not necessarily at cheap valuations. It's still trading 39 times forward earnings and 7.6 times on sales.